If you travel frequently, having access to airport lounges can make your trips much more comfortable. Instead of waiting at crowded gates, lounges offer free food, drinks, Wi Fi, comfortable seating, and a quiet place to relax before your flight. The good news is that some credit cards include complimentary lounge access around the world. In this video, we're going to look at 3 of the best credit cards for airport lounge access. The first option is the Platinum Card from American Express. This is considered one of the best travel credit cards because it gives access to the American Express Global Lounge Collection, which includes Centurion Lounges, Priority Pass Lounges, Plaza Premium Lounges, and more. In total, this network gives cardholders access to over 1,500 airport lounges around the world. This makes it a great option for frequent travelers who want the most premium airport lounge experience. The second option is the Chase Sapphire Reserve Credit Card. This card includes a Priority Pass Select membership that allows access to more than 1,300 airport lounges worldwide. Cardholders can also access Chase Sapphire lounges in select airports. Another advantage is that many lounges allow you to bring guests with you, which makes it a great card for people who travel with family or friends. The third option is the Capital One Venture X Rewards Credit Card. This credit card has become very popular among travelers because it offers access to Priority Pass lounges as well as Capital One lounges located in several major airports. Many people like this card because it provides premium travel benefits while usually having a lower annual fee compared to other luxury travel cards. So in summary, some of the best credit cards for airport lounge access are the American Express Platinum Card, the Chase Sapphire Reserve, and the Capital One Venture X. These cards can give you access to hundreds or even thousands of airport lounges around the world, making your travel experience much more comfortable. And that's it. If this video helped you learn about the best credit cards for airport lounge access, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more finance and travel tips.